viewers, my participants, and those who regularly attend my class are being requested to attend my live streaming because today's topic of discussion is change of degree. Change of degree. And if you ask me, what is degree? Degree means actually one kind of comparison just to show the dignity or the better quality, etc. So degree suggests nothing but just comparison. For example, you know that degree is of three types. Hello, my dear viewers, my top fans, please attend the class, and I am going to discuss the change of degree in a very lucid style, in a very simple style, clear. And you know that this topic is important not only in writing English but also in spoken English. If you want to speak English fluently, elegantly, you must know degree. Degree is of prime importance to suggest any kind of comparison. For example, yes, all of you have joined, and this type of encouragement or enthusiasm also, mute, how is it possible? Okay, wait a bit. Now you can hear. Are you hearing my speech? Please type, otherwise I will. Okay, wait a bit. I am trying my level best to do something, to add my apparatus. Just wait a bit. Wait. Don't leave, and I am going to Are you hearing what I am saying? Can you hear? Okay. So let us discuss the change of degree. Actually, one of my students has requested me earnestly to discuss the change of degree. So, for example, you are tall. You are tall, and when I am comparing you with somebody else, I may tell that you are taller than any other boy or all other boys in the class. So it is comparative degree, and in the superlative degree, you may call, or you may say, you are the tallest boy in the class. So tall, taller, tallest. So degree is of three types: positive degree, positive, comparative degree, comparative, and superlative degree. Now, let me give some examples. For example, her eyes are as black as a deer's. Clear? Her eyes are as black as a deer's. That means a deer's eyes. Now, you see that black is an adjective, and the adjective is preceded by as and followed by as. When an adjective or an adverb is preceded by as and followed by as, you are sure that you are using positive degree. For example, I am giving you more examples. For example, her lips are as red as pomegranate. And you know that pomegranate means bedan. In Bengali, it is called bedan. Her lips are as red as pomegranate. So, her lips are being compared with pomegranate, that is the color of the pomegranate, but it is in the positive degree because the adjective is preceded by the and followed by on. Hello, my viewers. I know that all of you are in a festive mood. You are enjoying Durga Puja, but just after Durga Puja, your test examination is going to be held, and that is why I am discussing change of degree. Clear? Now, those who have participated in my class or live streaming are being requested to like, comment, share, and subscribe to, if possible, if this video comes to your benefit. Let us give you another example. For example, he walks, WLKS, he walks as slowly as a tortoise. He walks as slowly as a tortoise. And you see that walks as slowly. Slowly is an adverb. As slowly is an adverb. So adverb is preceded by as and followed by as. Clear? Naturally, it is positive degree. He walks as slowly as a tortoise. And if you are asked to convert it into comparative degree, what will you do? You will do a tortoise does not walk more slowly than he. That means than he walks. A tortoise does not walk more slowly as he. Clear? Or so slowly as he. So, when you are comparing somebody, you must remember that in positive degree, the adjective must be, or the adverb must be preceded by as and followed by as. And in comparative degree, for example, Saminathan is cleverer than any other boy in the class or all other boys in the class. Saminathan is cleverer. Good evening. Good evening, sir. And this old man is again live streaming, and I am giving you some troubles. Nothing else, it is my habit. And my habit will not go in vain if you learn something from me. For example, Saminathan is cleverer than all other boys or any other boy in the class. So, cleverer and more and then. More plus adjective plus er in comparative degree and then. Just remember it. And if you are asked to change it into or convert it into superlative degree, what will you write? You will write, no other boy in the class, sorry, it will be in the positive degree. You will be, if you are asked to convert it into superlative degree, you will have to write, Saminathan is the cleverest boy in the class. Saminathan is the cleverest boy in the class. Clear? So clever, cleverer, cleverest. And if you are asked to convert it into positive degree, what will you write? No other boy in the class is as clever or so clever as Saminathan. That means as Saminathan is. Clear? Thus, another example I am giving you. This little boy is more intelligent than all other boys in the class. This little boy is more intelligent than all other boys in the class. And if you are asked to convert it into superlative degree, what will you do? This little boy is the most intelligent boy in the class. And if you are asked to convert it into positive degree, you will have to write, no other boy in the class is so intelligent as this little boy. Clear? Now, you will have to think it properly, and you will have to speak it properly, write it properly, so that you may use in spoken English and at the same time in writing English. Now let us use some of the track English, very few. For example, Shakespeare is one of the best poets in England. Shakespeare is one of the best poets in England, for example. Then it is one of the best poets in England. That means there are many best poets and he is one of them. It is in the superlative degree because good, better, best. It is in the superlative degree. And if you are asked to convert it into comparative degree, then what will you write? Shakespeare is better than most other when a sentence begins with very few or one of. You are bound to change in this manner. Shakespeare is better than all other poets or most other poets. Shakespeare is better than most other poets in England. Clear? When there is one of them, in comparative degree, you will have to write most other. Right? Now let us convert it into positive degree. Very few poets in England are as good as Shakespeare. Very few poets in England are as good as Shakespeare. Clear? So, when there is very few or most other, very few, when there is very few, it is positive degree. When one of the best, one of the most, etc., it is superlative degree. And when there is most other, it is comparative degree. Let us give another example, and that's the final example. For example, He is one of the happiest persons in the village. He is one of the happiest persons in the village. Clear? And it is obvious that it is superlative degree, happiest. Now convert it into comparative degree. He is happier than most other people in the village. He is happier than most other people in the village. And when you are going to convert it into positive degree, what will you write? Or what will you speak? He is, or very few people in the village, very few people in the village are so happy or as happy as he. Clear? Just follow these examples. I have discussed that there are three types of degrees: positive, comparative and superlative. I have given you the examples of three types and how to change from positive to comparative and from comparative to superlative. And I have given you another category when there is one of. Clear? Now let us take farewell. Stay safe, stay mellow, and good night. And if you feel that this video will be helpful to you, you may subscribe my channel and Easy Step to English Grammar. Thanking all of you. Good night.